Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Wawa Jack!
Happy birthday, Lola Jack!
Hello! Happy birthday! Pasensya na, wala ako dyan. Happy birthday. Senior ka na din. Nadagdagan na naman ang senior ID. Happy birthday. See you next year. Bye-bye.
Happy 60th birthday, Jack. May your day filled with God's grace, blessing, happiness, and good health. I love you. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Friendship Jack, happy 60th birthday. Paano yan? Ikaw una sa ating apat na maging senior. Anyways, ano pa ba mawi-wish ko sa'yo? Stay healthy na lang and beautiful. More Zumba. Yay! Happy birthday! Mga chup-chup. Ingat! God bless!
Hi, Wawa Jack! Happy birthday! Happy 60th birthday! Ano pa bang wish ko sa'yo? Nasa'yo na naman lahat ng blessings. So, enjoy life na lang. Enjoy Zumba. And have a great birthday. Bye!
Hi Mars! Happy birthday sa'yo, Jack! Miss mo na ako, no? Si Jack po ang aking BFF sa Zumba. Yan. Happy birthday to you, my dear friend. Your friendship means the world to me and I'm so grateful for all the laughs, yung tawanan natin, yung breakfast natin sa bahay na walang katapusang kwentuhan. Thank you, Mars, for the friendship. Here's another year of fun and everything that makes you happy. Yes, cheers to you, my dear friend. Pag uwi ko, bawi na lang tayo, ha? Love you. Bye. Chup-chup, mom. Wish ko sa'yo good health. Tama yan, Zumba lang. Bye. Enjoy.
Hello, Ate Jackie. Magay ka. Hello, my Sissy Bells. Happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday. Kasi para sa akin, 50 ka pa lang eh. Yung face mo eh, pang 50 lang eh. Tuwan-tuwa naman siya oh. Ngiting-ngiti. Alam ko, ngiting-ngiti kasi sinabi ko. Sissy, happy birthday. You have many more birthdays to come. We wish you all the luck and happiness for the coming many years in your life. Ano ba sabihin ko? Kahit di na tayo madalas nagkakasama, sana huwag mo akong kalilimutan yung ating pagkakaibigan, kung ano man ang meron tayo ngayon. Love you, sisi ko. Baka umiyak pa ako eh. Happy birthday!
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, bossing. Happy Jackie. I love you. Happy birthday, Ate Jackie. Ate Jackie, yan yung taong napakadali mo makagaanan ng loob. Sa unang kita mo pa lang, kilala mo na parang ano siya, yung madaling mababa ang loob niya. Kaya kahit sa konting panahon ng pagsasama namin sa pagsumba, eh talagang napamahal na sa akin yan, napamahal na sa amin. Kaya love na love namin yan. Happy 60th day, Jackie. I love you.
Hello sa birthday girl at chairman ng Cool Zumbanatics. Congratulations for the dual citizenship. Diba, 60 ka na pero hindi ka namang mukhang 60, Ate Jackie. Sabi nga nila, age is just a number. Though your kumaris are not there today, alam mo naman, we will be enjoying still your birthday tomorrow with your favorite BBQ group. We will celebrate your birthday, second day celebration of your birthday. And surely you will be happy today, especially with your family, your immediate family. Stay as kind as you are, be as sweeter as you can be, and lovable to all of us, especially sa family. Enjoy your day. We love you, Ate Jackie. Long live Ate Jackie, and may you stay healthy para mas marami pa tayong kembutan na magawa. We love you and enjoy your day. Bye!
Day partner. Ay, di pala, kumari pala. Okay lang, may partner na ako. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come and more kembot pa tayong pagsasamahan. I love you. Hello, Tajaki. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Alam ko, lahat nasa iyo na. Kaya enjoyin mo na lang ang iyong life. Kasi mayaman ka na, donya ka na. At saka, yung Zumba, huwag kalilimutan. Healthy fitness. Bye! Happy birthday ulit! Love you!
Hi, Ate Jack. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Jackie. Love na love ka namin, lalo na ng BBQ. We love you. Stay happy.
Good health.
Good health. Ayan, saka saya lang ng saya. Kebot ng kebot pa more with Coach B and BBQ.
Yeah.
Kita kids, happy birthday. We love you.
More kembot to come.
Bye. Happy birthday.
We love you.